In Nairobi, people who can't agree on football somehow become political soulmates every election season.
Funny thing is, after elections, reality humbles everyone equally. Every election we say, our turn has come.
But somehow rent still arrives before development.
You must support your community, my brother in Christ. Corruption did not ask for my tribe before increasing fuel prices. Unaona, immediately elections zimeisha, wao ni mabeshte.
But wananchi are still fighting online. No, seriously. Mbona tuna normalize disappointment every 5 years?
Maybe Kenya's biggest problem isn't resources. Maybe it's how easily we emotionally invest in leaders who never emotionally invest in us.
2027 is coming. So before asking, who is our person, maybe ask, who actually works?